Okay, we got the screws set. Put a little glue in there, let that dry. So now the mouth's not going to open and close. We have to go in here and take this out in here now that we got it set where we want it. So we can take this out in here so we can get some play on the mouth so the mouth will open and close. Now we'll take the mouth back out. By unscrewing the mouth, now we can go in here and take this out so we can get some opening and closing on the mouth. So we'll work on that, then we'll come back with the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. We'll use our sanding disc to smooth this down. But you don't do this until after you've got that set to where you want it, so you know what you want to, where you got to take part of the mouth out. So we'll keep working on that, then we'll come back to the next step. Thanks for watching.